Hello everyone, привет все, and welcome back to very excited video blog. In previous video I was repairing this Samsung TV and updating firmware. Today I will show my best picture settings for this TV model. I set up two profiles, Standard and Movie profiles. Most of the time I use Standard profile. Why is it necessary to adjust the image settings? Because the manufacturer overstates some parameters for TV, and I want to see natural colors on the TV. Of course, the perceptions of colors are different for all people. You can try my picture settings, and if you do not like them, return to the default settings. Now you can see the difference between the images. Today that's all. Best way say thank you to the author and share this video with your friends. I will hope to see you next time.